deep down, under the surface of your nice, normal self, something else is prowling. A feral energy, a primal force. Let's call it the beast, chained up in the basement of your good intentions. You work hard, keeping that cage locked, but haven't you felt the chains rattle, heard the growl? What terror hits you when you imagine that cage door swinging open? You know it's there. It's that volcanic rage, exploding in traffic, screaming words that aren't you. It's the wild impulse to torch your carefully planned life just to watch the flames. It's that viper strike of a cruel word slipping out before you can stop it, shocking even yourself. These aren't just oopsies. They're flares from the abyss within, the beast demanding attention. Dostoevsky, that fearless surgeon of the soul, dove right into these dark corners. He saw this underground, this messy storm of irrationality, spite, pure defiance, not just as a flaw. No, he argued it was the dangerous, necessary soil where human freedom grows. Get rid of the beast entirely, achieve perfect, sterile reason. Dostoevsky saw that as the real damnation, becoming a predictable machine. And here's the razor's edge you're walking. Unleash the beast completely, you're asking for ruin. Relationships burned, futures shattered, the self consumed by its own fire. But chain it too tightly. Deny it exists with rigid control. That's a kind of living death, hollow. A ghost trapped in a self-made prison, vitality choked, soul suffocating. Look around. You see them, Mr. or Ms. Perfect Control, orderly, maybe, but lifeless, radiating emptiness. Then there's the human wildfire, acting on every impulse, careening from one self-destruction to the next, leaving only ashes. Both are tragedies. Both miss the real human struggle, the conscious battle within, between the abyss and aspiration. So forget just stopping control. That's a dead end. The real terrifying challenge is, can you consciously descend into your own inner inferno? Can you face the beast, not with chains or blind surrender, but with awareness? Can you wrestle that darkness, that chaos, and forge meaning from it instead of just being consumed? Confront the beast you carry. Acknowledge the rage, the pull towards recklessness, the monstrous thoughts hiding in the shadows. Don't flinch. Ask, what vital, terrifying truths have I locked up with this beast out of fear? What power sits untapped in that darkness? Because true power, true freedom, isn't about perfect control or total abandon. It's forged in the fire of conscious engagement with the terrifying, complex whole of who you are. It's learning to walk with the beast, acknowledge its power, and still choose your own path.